In today's episode, we will be preparing the original style Italian macaroni pasta. Today, we will unfold the secrets behind the recipe. Welcome to Daily Recipes, and you will be learning something new today. Now let's dive right into the procedure. Firstly, get the macaroni ready for the preparation of the recipe. For which we will take 200 grams of macaroni pasta in a vessel. Add water until the pasta is submerged in water. Add a tablespoon of oil and mix well until it's coated to all the pasta shells. Cook the pasta till it's soft. Strain the pasta into cold water to stop the cooking process and keep aside. In the next phase of the recipe, add 2 tablespoons oil to a hot pan. When the oil is hot, add 1 chopped onion. Do not cook veggies all the way through. All the veggies in the recipe should be cooked halfway to maintain the crunch. Now add half cup of green capsicum, half cup red bell pepper and half cup yellow bell pepper. When the peppers are cooked halfway, add the cooked macaroni and mix well until the oil is well coated. Now add 1 tablespoon white pepper powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon chili flakes, half tablespoon mixed herbs and salt to taste. Mix it till all the dry ingredients are well coated to the pasta. Now add a dash of dark soy sauce and mix well. Further, cook for a minute and your Italian macaroni pasta is ready to be served. Try this today and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Also comment down below what you would like to see in the upcoming videos. Like the video if you like what you saw. Consider subscribing to see more like it. Hit the bell to get notified on the new video releases from this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.